everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. To go off now, we are going back to the glory days. Your basic high school car, the 1968 Ford Mustang hardtop. Now this is the car you definitely had back in high school. Got you all the ladies, got you all the attention. More importantly, better looked better than almost every other car on the road. But going back to the one here featuring a blue exterior, basic Ford Pride, but better, that's the way it's supposed to be. Not red, not yellow, beautiful blue. Has those old school Cragar wheels on it. Of course, back in the day, you could buy Cragars for $50 at Kmart. Nowadays, you gotta try to get $250 and on back order for wheels this nice. Does have the white layer tires. Does have a cool stripe on both sides of the doors, almost in the style of a fish hook. Moving on to the interior now, also having that beautiful blue from the Ford. Stock door panels, window cranks. You got that lovely vinyl bucket seats, custom console to match that automatic shifter. In fact, you have the armrest here, which you can hold your companion's hand on. Of course, we have to go up a little bit past this ugly truck. But other than that, what's really cool about the 68 is the fact that they decided to put the turn signals in the hood. If you could zoom in right there, that is one of the nicest things they did. And the difference between the 67 and the 68, almost identical. However, on the front fenders, you may notice that the emblems go from a straight abbreviation to a more cursive, stylish thing. Other than that, you just got your basic wood wheel, 2-knob radio, basically the simple functions of owning a classic car, nothing too mean. It does have a comp cam diagnostic sheet in the glove box, which we will show you on the video. But other than that, going underneath the hood, having the stock 289, the perfect Ford motor. I know it's probably not the fastest motor, but I mean, look at us right now. The sun is good, the sky is blue. We're getting the attention of all the cars around us. More importantly, you might just want to have a peaceful ride. But other than that, it has headers going to the straight pipes in the back. But other than that, it is a beautiful car, very well done. But as for now, we're just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.